Creating an attractive houseplant display can enhance the aesthetics of your home while promoting a healthy and calming environment. Here are some creative houseplant display ideas to inspire you. Floating shelves. Install floating shelves on a blank wall and arrange your plant at different heights. Use a mix of hanging plants, trailing plants, and taller specimens to create depth and visual interest. Plant ladder. Repurpose an old ladder as a plant stand. Place pots on each step, starting with smaller plants at the top and larger ones at the bottom. Plant wall. Install a vertical garden on a wall using pockets, planters, or even a do-it-yourself wooden frame with plant holders. This maximizes space and adds a unique focal point. Macramé hangers. Hang your plants in stylish macrame plant hangers near windows or from the ceiling. Mix and match different hanger styles for added flair. Plant stand. Invest in plant stands of varying heights and styles. Place them around your home to showcase your plants at different levels, creating a dynamic display. Plant cart. Use a decorative rolling cart to display your plant collection. It's easy to move around, allowing you to change the look of your space frequently. Botanical gallery wall. Combine framed botanical prints or plant themed artwork with your actual plant for an eye catching display that celebrates greenery. Repurposed furniture. Place plants on or in old furniture pieces like vintage cabinets, dresses, or even antique suitcases. This adds a touch of nostalgia and charm. Hollowed logs or stumps. Hollowed out logs or tree stumps make unique plant containers. They create a rustic and natural look, perfect for showcasing succulents or woodland plants. Plant baskets. Choose stylish woven baskets or decorative pots and place your plants inside. Baskets can add texture and warmth to your plant display. Themed arrangements. Arrange your plant according to themes such as color schemes, plant families, or growth habits. This can create a visually appealing and organized display. Floating planters. Consider using clear glass or acrylic containers that allow your plant's roots to be visible while floating in water. These hydroponic planters can be a captivating display. Moss wall art. Creating living art by arranging moss and air plants in decorative frames or shadow boxes. Moss wall art is low maintenance and adds a touch of green to your space. Remember to consider the lighting, humidity, and care requirements of your plants when arranging them in your home. Group plants with similar needs together to make maintenance easier. Ultimately, your houseplant display should reflect your personal